quadratic, but if you don't listen up, it all starts with standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, you hear me? Then you got a little something called the vertex form, y equals ax minus h squared plus k, when h and k are the vertex, okay? Then you got the form of intercepts, y equals ax minus p, x minus k, p and q are the intercepts. Now go tell your pet. Now let's move on to the universal quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus 2b minus 4ac all divided by 2a. I'm kinda hungry, so let's go to a buffet. Another easy point to get is the y-intercept. You plug in 0 for x and that leaves you a c. Now for the test, you all prepped. You find either an x-intercept or a 0. You can either factor, complete the square, use perfect squares. Go!
Just listen to what I'm about to say. Quadratics aren't really that hard, okay? Pay attention to what you are doing. Don't be a baby. Stop all that cooing.
In standard form, you can find the zeros by factoring using the AC method, or you can complete the square or use perfect squares. Just take the plus or minus square root of the constant. The solutions in intercept form are already given to you. They're just p and q. For vertex form, you have to boil the whole thing, then you have to use factoring. Speaking of the vertex, in vertex form, the vertex is h and k. Intercept form requires you to add p and q and divide by 2, giving you the axis of symmetry, which is the x term of the vertex. Then plug that back into the equation to find a y term of the vertex. Standard form is the same concept except with the formula negative b over 2a squared. The quadratic equation graph is called the parabola. It looks like a U. First graph the vertex, then the x-intercepts, and the last y-intercept. Now get out of here. You've got the flu. Parabolas that open down because the a value is negative have maximum values, which is the y point in the vertex. Graphs that open up, positive a values have minimum values. Quadratic inequalities are the same concept of graphing, except you gotta shade the corresponding area of the grid. And don't forget to flip the sign when multiplying, dividing, and negative.
Yeah! Listen to what I'm about to say. Quadratics aren't really that hard, okay? Pay attention to what you are doing. Don't be a baby. Stop all that cooing.
You gotta stop whining, go away. You gotta stop whining, go away. You gotta stop whining, go away. You gotta stop whining.
You gotta stop your whining, go away. You gotta stop failing, go away. You gotta stop failing, go away. You gotta stop failing, go away. Yeah! Listen to what I'm about to say. Quadratics aren't really that hard, okay? Pay attention to what you are doing. Don't be a baby. Stop all that cooing.
We got one more thing to say. The discriminant is 2b minus 4ac. It tells you how many solutions you will get. If it equals 0, you have 1. If it is greater than 0, you have 2. If it's less than 0, you got 2 imaginary ones. Hun, now remember, don't get scared of quadratics, fool. They're really easy and fun, and they make you look cool.
I'm fine.